What I have for you today is another great belt by JUKMO. This has got a brown leather finish all the way around with stitching at the top and bottom. It's got a brushed aluminum look here with a silver buckle. And it has a retention strap here that can be used to hold the edge of the belt if it's sticking out beyond your belt loops and you want to have an extra tensioner there. And here's how this belt works. This is a ratcheting belt. So as you're wearing it like this, you want to release it. You're just going to lift with your finger here, pull this little lever up, and then the belt is going to slide out. Very easy. And then when you're putting it on, you're pushing it through here like this. And you can see here, it's got a ratcheting action. So every little push that you make, one more notch connects to the ratchet there. So you've got an infinite amount of options here for how it will tighten. So based on how you're feeling that day, if you need to have a little bit more slack in your belt because of the pants you're wearing, you've got all kinds of options here without any tugging on the outside of the belt or any holes here. So it's just gonna click in like that to right where you need it, and it's firmly gonna hold it in place. So I've got a couple of these ratcheting belts from JUKMO, and I gotta tell you, this is my favorite design because it's really so comfortable to wear, and you never have to worry about pushing it through the loop or anything and hooking it in. You just can easily release it like that. So all I gotta do is just lift on this little bit of a spring-loaded lever here. Now, adjusting the belt for length, you've got all kinds of options with that because you could either just leave it long and then use this additional piece here with your belt loops to keep it controlled like that, or you can go ahead and you can cut it yourself and adjust the belt back. Very easy to do. What they've got here is a releasable grabbing thing here with some teeth, and you're just going to cut the belt to the size that suits you. They've even got some indicators here, for example 38, 36, as you start to trim it back, approximations for how that will line up with belt sizes. But trim a little bit, see how that feels, and then go ahead and just stick it back in through here like this, and then clamp it down, and you're ready to go. So completely adjustable. Hey, I hope this was helpful to learn a little bit more about this JUKMO belt. Hope this information is useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.